Change language preference of InPage 2012. Welcome friends. I will tell you the method to improve your language skills. First of all, open InPage 2012. After that you have to click on the file. And click OK. You have to click on Edit next to the file. And click Preferences. After all, press Keyboard Preferences. And click on the language in front of the keyboard that you want to change. Select Phonetic Language. And click on the Phonetic Keyboard view to check the preferences. Then close the view. And press OK. Write something to check the language. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.